Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. This session is related to the Upstream Downstream Lab Diploma Activities Extract. The session name is Extraction of Protein from Food Bioprocess Homogeneate using aqueous. So the phase separation is solution containing polymer mixture in a very common phenomena. In the aqueous two-phase system, the bulk of both phases consist of a water and ATPase form a gentle environment for biomaterial. This technique has been characterized for low cost and easy to scale up. So that's why we are using this process for crude extraction. And in ATPs, the partitioning the desired protein, the one phase and contaminated protein to the other phase not only purified, the protein also concentrates them in a one water phase. Like we see phycocyanin is a kind of blue color protein which have been great commercial industrial used, and it has been formed two subunits alpha and beta with the molecular weight of 18 to 20 kilodalton respectively. It has been not only widely used in food cosmetic but also in fluorescent maker in biomedical research, and purified for the 0.7 to consider up to food grade up to 3 to 9 reactivate grade. So C phycocyanin also have a particular role in this method. Mendelian method, the dry powder of spirulina platinus. The dry powder of spirulina platinus were procedure of the ocean. This university used this procedure through the under microscope from the algal powder and the crude extraction of the CPC. The dry algae powder of the S. platinus was frozen up to minus 20 degrees Celsius and will dissolve up to 4 degrees Celsius for 4 times in a distilled water. The biomass was centrifuged at the 8000 rpm for 10 minutes. Then separate the C. phycocyanin from the cell and store up to 4 degrees Celsius. Aqueous two-phase system is the composition of aqueous two-phase system, and the protein purification in polymer salt phase was constructed in binomial curves for estimated the turbidity through the titration. And then further we have added some addition of pH for the fine adjustment of pH. We have to add orthophosphoric acid and sodium hydroxide for adjustment of pH. Then further we have isolated the CPC for this and then from this two-phase and multiple aqueous two-phase extraction, the ATPase we have to add PGP phase, and from the two-phase extraction it will be goes from the multiple phase extraction. And then further analytical procedure. In this analytical procedure we have to done ultrafiltration, purification for bioreactivity, quantification for the C. phycocyanin. Then further we have to done at the end of SDS phase. So from this session we have to learn how to do the one phase extraction and two phase extraction from this homogeneate, and how to extract protein from the different kind of multiple phases and two phase extraction and one phase extraction, and how to extract protein from these different kind of phases and the industrial use of these proteins. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.